Come at the top edge of your mat and stand in Tadasana. Roll back your shoulders, spine straight, palms facing toward your thighs. Inhale and exhale. Now pay gratitude to Lord Surya. Namaskar Mudra. Inhale and exhale. Om Surya Namaskar. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana, bend forward. Inhale, right leg far back, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, interlace your fingers and rest your palms on your front thigh, like this. Inhale, again Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, tuck your back toe, lift your body up and front foot backward, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, slide forward, Falakasana. Exhale, drop your knees down, chest down in between your palms and chin down, Ashtanga Asana. Inhale, scoop your chest up till your navel point, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Push your shoulders toward your body. Inhale, right foot forward in between your palms, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, interlace your fingers, palm resting on your front thigh. Inhale, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, tuck your back toe, bring your back foot forward in between your palms, Padhastasana. Bend forward. Inhale, Hastottanasana, arch back. Exhale, Namaste. Do it on left side. Inhale, Hastottanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, left foot back, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, interlace your fingers, palm resting on your right thigh. Inhale, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, tuck your back toe, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Falakasana. Exhale, Ashtanga Asana. Inhale, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, left foot forward in between your palms, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, interlace your fingers, palm resting on your front thigh, left thigh. Inhale, Ashwasanjanasana. Exhale, tuck your back toe, lift your body up, bring your back foot in between your palms, Padhastasana, and exhale. Inhale, Hastottanasana, and exhale, Namaste.